Brother, this is sweet. Hey, you want a spoon? You good? Hey guys, it's actually incredible how much water that jelly had in just now and how sweet it was. Barnes, them they bite me.
They don't have bite me.
Hey, so yeah, I'm gonna put on a shirt and, you know, look more presentable for you guys. That's just how much I respect you. So today I have a quick video for you guys, nothing long. I just have some fruits lying around the house and you guys liked the pudding video so much. I say, why not do something food related again? So today I'm going to be making a little smoothie with the fruits that I have for you guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. I mentioned in the last video that the video before that would have been my most commented on and most liked video. But the last video would have beat that with the comments. Thank you guys so much for giving your input. Really enjoy reading comments and interacting with you guys, you know, developing a community here. So Maroons, hopefully you enjoyed your smoothie ride. Two bananas. Yes, so I will not be using all the soursop, just use a little piece and add the sneezeberry. You know, I'm just a try something, just a mix up, you know, see how it turns out. Yo guys, this is crazy, but the idea made more sense in my head. So what I'm gonna just try to see if I can get some of the extra juice off of the mango seed, you know, just milk it a bit, kind of just squeeze it a bit to get off some of the extra juice. Yeah, for some reason the tripod started get trouble, so I have to go for the chest piece. You remember how this goes? Pull out the big guns. To be honest, a long time this a bad boy and I get used, but I'm going to be using it today to ensure you have clean hands, you know, and you just dump in everybody. Oh wow, this is actually a lot still. Ooh. Oh shit, this is probably too much. All of that goodness in there, so all of this goodness in there, so add a little coconut water. Oh wow, it's probably gonna be too much. Let's get this bad boy plugged in. Hold on to the top sturdy and let's go. So I'm gonna just start it simple. So I'm gonna go smoothie. What go on, so it's not work. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, it smells nice. Okay, seems. Brother. Yo, this lockdown. Ready again for round 2. Like this with the small hands. Put your next hand here. Don't press anything, just hold it. Hold it good, look in the camera. Look in the camera, you seen it?
Yeah.
Look what you're doing. Alright guys, so now that it's done, it's only me and Jay here. So Jay is my little brother, so he's going to have to do the taste test. But I'm afraid because this little boy no means him words none at all. So if it tastes bad, I'm gonna tell you blatantly say it tastes bad. Kinda afraid, but yeah. Jay, come. Ooh. You ready?
Yes.
Alright, taste it and tell me.
Tastes good.
It tastes good? How your face looks so? You sure you just not say it tastes good because of the camera?
That's say it tastes good.
It tastes good?
It tastes like mango.
It tastes like mango? Hear that? Jay say it tastes good, that means say it tastes good. You want more?
More?
Yeah. More?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah.
Lies, the man want more. So you're gonna finish all of that? So me I gotta taste it now. Really nice. As in, I think it's better without the ice, cause the ice kinda water it down a bit, but it's really good same way. It's really good. Yeah, so as I said, it's just a short video, you know, nothing too special. It's just upkeeping with me being consistent, you know, to post this video. I'm just here trying to come up with innovative ways of making videos for you guys, you know. Something simple as just blending up some fruits could provide content for you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I have to thank you guys so much because by the time you're seeing this video, my channel would have reached 6,000 channel views, and at the time of posting this we're at 155 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for always watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I mean, it's free to subscribe, you know. It's free to subscribe, it's free to like, it's free to comment, and that only works to help out the channel, you know, because the more you like, the more you comment, that's better for the YouTube algorithm, you know. The more people will see, the more people see it, the bigger the Maroon clan becomes. So guys, don't be afraid to like, share, comment, check out some of the other videos, you know, like especially like my last few videos since quarantine. It's a vibe, you know. Thank you guys again for watching, and remember in the daily life to practice these 3 things: patience, humility, and consistency. I'll see you in the next video.
Make it harder.
Tell me what you're thinking, tonight.
You got the same color.
Mango, banana, papaya.
Apple? Yeah.
That's.
One is very nice, little.
One is very in the one last thing. You're not gonna get the last thing there. And the last thing make you feel like them green thing there. A bit of sour sap.
So what's up?
Yeah, we cut one little piece.
Oh.
So you think it bad?
A smooth it is.
Mm-hmm.